Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a popular personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki. One of the key concepts in the book is the idea that there are two types of financial assets and liabilities. In the book, Kiyosaki describes his rich dad and poor dad, and how their different attitudes towards money and financial literacy affected their financial success. According to Kiyosaki, an asset is something that puts money into your pocket, while a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. For example, a rental property that generates income is an asset, while a car that requires regular maintenance and expenses is a liability. Kiyosaki argues that many people confuse liabilities for assets, leading them to make poor financial decisions. For example, he explains that a house can be a liability if it requires a mortgage payment, property taxes, and other expenses that exceed the income it generates. Kiyosaki's message is that if you want to achieve financial freedom and build wealth, you need to focus on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities. This means investing in income-generating assets like rental properties, stocks, and businesses, while avoiding debt and unnecessary expenses. In summary, Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, and how this knowledge can help you make better financial decisions and achieve financial freedom.